In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your videos into Adobe Premiere Pro so that you can start editing your videos. So let's get into it. When it comes to importing our videos, there are 3 different methods of getting your footage into Adobe Premiere. So let me show you method 1. Method 1 is to scroll down to the project window. We're going to right click, select import, and then from here we can navigate to our video clips and we can just import them this way. And that's going to import them and we can drag them straight onto our timeline like that. That is method 1. Method 2. Rather than importing from the project window, we can go into our Finder and do the opposite of what we just did. So we can go into our Finder, find the video clip that we like, and we'll drag that straight into Adobe Premiere. And there you go. From there, you can just drag that onto your timeline. Now, method number 3, and this method is a little bit more complicated, but it's not too complicated. We'll go into Media Browser. And then as you can see on the left, we've got our destination folder. So we'll go into Macintosh HD, Users, Brooker Films. Of course, this is going to be different for yourself. Go ahead, find the video clip, and that should appear here. And then you just want to right click and press import. I really appreciate your support and I will see you on the next video. See you there.
We have just 4 methods. First, I can click here. As you see here, there are 4 borders. As you see here, there are 4 projects. Then you can insert here. Double click. My folders are on the desktop. Adobe file. In Adobe file, select this, open. You can directly drag to the timeline border. As you see here, there are 4 borders. Here, 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 here. Then first method is I can import here. Double click on this button. If you can't see this one, you can go to Window, Workspace. You can make insertion. You see? You have to make this. The next one. After that, you can see my workspace like this. Our workspaces look like this. Then you can edit as you want here. You see? Then double click here. And I go to desktop. My files are in desktop. Then I import. I click on the video that I want to import. Then click on open. After that, you can drag this into like this, directly here. Then my video and the audio both are here. This is video, this is audio. I can separate them by clicking only. I can delete my audio. Also undo, Control Z. Then I can delete also. I can delete the clip if I want only the audio part. Then Control Z, come back. And also you can rejoin by pressing Shift and then Control Audio. Then you can link together. Also you can join more than 2 videos together. I will show you on next video. And today, this one is first method how to import video on Adobe Premiere Pro. Next method is example. Go to this and drag it to here. You can directly put it here. You see? Both my audio and the video are imported. Then you can drag it to here. As you see, I have effect You see, you can put it here. The difference here is you can import separately. If I want audio only, this is a video, I can directly drag it from here. This is the second method. Then here you can link and unlink. I can delete the audio and the video. Also, I can join two videos together. Here I link it there. Also, I can link this together. Then I can link this, I can group them. You see? Then I can cut, I can crop, I can do anything that I want. Here, the third method is you can directly drag the file to the existing sequence if you want. And I can double click on it. You can go to effect control to the motion, effect control, based on the video. As you see here, motion. I can use it like this, or I can directly drag the video. Then there are controls here. You can see motion, position, scale, rotation, opacity. You see here effect control. Then you can do anything. If you want to crop, right crop here. You can see from my previous video what drag the crop file here, and you can crop your video all direction as you want. You can see from my previous videos that I did on the how to crop video on Adobe Premiere Pro. And the last thing is I'll show you how to export. And to export video, if you have finished editing, you have to export. To export video, we have 3 methods. Method 1 and a new version on 2023. Here there is export title. You can click directly here. This is my video title name. I can rename it Adobe Premiere Pro. My title is like this, Adobe Premiere. You have to select location as you want. My location is here. Select your quality. As you see here, there are many qualities. My video will have 20 megabytes. Here we have two options. Directly export by Premiere Pro, or you can send it to media encoder. If you don't have media encoder application, you can download it from my Telegram channel, or if you have already installed it, you can send it to media encoder. Here I want to show you, for example, export in Premiere Pro. Started encoding. And method 2 is you can export here, you can send it to media encoder. And as you see here in media encoder, the press here in green item, start queue. It's encoding. This is the second method. Third method is the third method works for all Adobe versions. Go to file, export media. You see, export. It will export here. And the fourth method is using shortcut. You can use Control M. You see, export by media encoder or Adobe Premiere Pro directly here. I guess this is all about my today's video. It's about how to import and export video on Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.